We then teach the customer how to assemble the bracket of this instrument. First of all, this is the bracket on the back. Let's take the screws off first. Just fix it again. Here is the probe, and then sideways here. We directly use this bracket for installing the handle. Plug in from top to bottom. That's it. And then we'll see. Here is the power switch. It's open here. This is closed. And here's the jack for the power cord, jack for handle, foot jack. This hole for argon delivery. And then we proceed to assemble here. The power supply is this adapter, and then it's two-pronged. However, this head we plug in this position. After, just connect this end to the socket at home. And then the foot switch, mainly to control this energy output. Plug it in this position. When plugging in, let's find the location of this hard point. Then tighten. Here we connect the argon delivery pipe. Let's plug the handle in first. This is its operating handle. We fix the handle here. Then insert the handle. Plug it in here. The letters are below. This is argon. That's the cylinder that we have here. The cylinder where its argon is delivered, we need to use an air valve. The valve is fixed to the cylinder. We have instructional videos. I'm not going to do that demo anymore. This is the main valve of the cylinder. After opening here, the valve here also needs to be opened. We are usually open this little valve. Then open it here. Turn it on here before the gas can be transported out. There are two safety valves on it for us to see. This valve comes out of this tube. We need to connect to the hose here. When we turn it on first, just open the valve of the gas cylinder. When not in operation, the gas cylinder valve needs to be closed. Then the main valve of the gas cylinder, it opens counterclockwise. Clockwise is off. Customers know this. When we normally use it, just open it a little bit. Just unscrew. Just feel it loose. Don't twist it too loose. The screw is too loose. This flow is too large. At this time, all handles of the machine are installed. Next, we power up the machine. These are the probes we come standard with. The disposable needles are these three. It comes with a needle. Generally, it is not recommended to use it after we use it up. Then this square tube head and the trumpet head. This is a curved jet head. Then there is a straight needle jet head. These two need to be connected with this adapter. And we'll show you how to do that later. There will be an adapter number 2 and 1 here. They are all used to assemble this jet head. It's the same. This is a large jet head. There are 2 adapters here. These 2 adapters, it is installed with this needle roller. There's a ceramic plasma head and a diamond head. This is full facelift. Thermoplasma is ceramic and this. Diamond heads don't use argon. Other plasma heads all need to be operated with argon gas. There's a seal here. This sealing ring, mainly installed in this position of the handle. If this is missing or broken, just replace it. These are spare parts for customers. We will next demonstrate the installation of the handle probe. Those heads we just introduced. I'm going to lay it a lot for you to see. These two do not need to be assembled. Screw it directly on the handle and it can be used. It includes these two hot air heads. Same thing. This large jet head also does not need to be assembled. I just took these. You can use it directly after screwing it to the handle. Then the rest needs to be assembled. You need an adapter. Then combine the operating head he needs. For example, this jet head. You need to use an adapter for assembly, including this one as well. After we put it together, bottom thread this end. Screw it directly to the handle and it can be used. These two adapters here, it is used on this needle roller. And I'm going to show you how to assemble it with a needle roller. It is also fixed through this thread. We can directly align the thread and tighten it. Then the other end is connected to the handle. The head of the stem including this pointer is also the same. Just tighten it directly. So how can customers distinguish between these two adapters? Adapters of these two cans. When the customer assembles, look at this adapter. Is it internal or external? Just look at the top of this pillar. Differentiate like this. Just install the corresponding head. Next, demonstrate how the head is connected to the handle. Let's take a square tube head to demonstrate. The installation method of other headers is the same. We can screw it directly on it. Just tighten it. Just make sure it doesn't leak. The operation interface we enter will display the operation options of all headers. Then we operate according to. For example, the square tube head we just installed. We'll just click the square here to enter. What if it was another head? We can also click to enter. Let's take the operation interface of the square pipe head as an example. Because other realms operate the probe, the interface is the same. We're not going to do commentary anymore. There are two interfaces that regulate energy. We just increment these two energies. Just tune it up and you can operate it. This is mainly to set the clinical time. After starting, the countdown will start here. Click here to be installed by preparation. On real operation, it needs to cooperate with the operation of the pedal. So here's a demonstration. Let's turn this energy up a bit. For example, around 20. Add it to 70 here. Then we match the foot switch. Step on it and it will output. Release it and stop. When we operate here, remember to keep the valve open. Just loosen it a little, let it breathe. After that, we can choose to start working. Cold plasma can be operated according to this method. When we are not using it, the interface can be paused. If you need to replace the head, we just plug it in and out.